In this YouTube video, I'm going to discuss about ethanol fuel. Government is introducing ethanol, mixing this ethanol fuel along with LPG gas and also petrol. But we face a lot of problems with ethanol fuel, which is mixed with LPG gas. We have been using this LPG gas which is mixed with ethanol for a couple of months, and these are my experiences. You see, first thing is it is very dangerous. It is quickly burning. It is quickly giving more heat in less time. Earlier we used to use the gas, and we can actually cook the rice and curries. In between times we used to remove the plate on the steel plates. When we touch the steel plates while cooking, it is we cannot even touch the steel plate with the hand. But if you are cooking with the gas, you will be able to touch the plate with your hand, and that much it is that it is consistent. When you are cooking with the gas, you can actually touch the plate also, even if you are cooking something on it. But ethanol, you cannot even touch the plate. It is burning, because it is giving that much heat. It's very dangerous. Even if you are cooking on low flame, it is giving very dangerous heat. Sometimes I'm getting a thought like, it could blast because of that heat. Because the thing is, even if you are cooking with a slow flame, it is giving very dangerous, extreme heat. You cannot even touch the plate also. You want to remove the plate on the rice while you are cooking, you could not able to do that. You have to take the cloth and you have to do it. But earlier with the gas, when you are cooking only with the LPG gas, people used to remove the plate on the rice when they are cooking it, right? And that means the heat, that is not dangerous heat. The LPG gas heat is consistent, and it can be handled using hand also while cooking it. But now with the ethanol gas, it is giving more heat, extreme heat. If you cook it at least for 2-3 minutes, it's becoming very heaty. Even you could not be able to touch the steel plates, iron plates, if you are cooking something on it. So we had very bad experience with the ethanol, and it is giving extremely heat, very dangerous heat for less time. I won't recommend it for mixing with the LPG gas also, because that may lead to the unexpected disasters. So we should avoid the ethanol mixing with the gas cylinder, and it is not recommended. And if you are bringing the ethanol into the households of the people, where families will live, children will be there, families will be there. If something happens, if something goes unexpected, it would blast and it will destroy the families. So that will lead to the disaster. So the government should stop this ethanol, because they should not mix it. I don't know how much ethanol they are mixing it, but as far as our experience and the thing, right, it is very danger, very very danger. It is giving extreme heat for us. Even for few minutes, if you cooking it, we could not be able to even touch the plate also, even touch the cooking vessel. So that much heat it is generating. So you can see I have generated an image here. So in normal gas, when you are cooking, you can actually lay your hand on the flame for few seconds. It won't cause any problem. I'm giving a simple example. If it is gas with ethanol, so you cannot lay your hand even for few seconds also. It quickly burns your hand. That is the difference. With the normal gas, you are embedded with the normal gas cooking style, because it won't cause you a problem. For few seconds, you can actually, if something is going wrong, it slowly creates you burning sensation. normal gas, LPG gas. But ethanol, it quickly burns you. It does not even give you few seconds also to realize and to escape from there. Getting a point, there won't be any reaction time for your. So generally, for every reaction will be there when you are playing with the fire, right? If your body identifies the flame, there will be few seconds of time to for reaction time to escape from there. But for ethanol, it won't be the case. So you will not be able to escape it. It immediately burns you. It immediately damages you, cause you the problem. So that is why ethanol is very dangerous. And do not ever use the ethanol along with the LPG gases, and you are bringing in the dangerous flaming ethanol into the households. I won't recommend it. So for example, if you forget lighting the gas, and it can also blast sometimes. So if you keep on cooking something and you forget to switch off the gas, and it may blast you. It may blast actually. It is very dangerous. Don't ever use the ethanol. So this is the example. And other thing is, I explain you. Petrol. You take a petrol. What happens? Petrol heats slowly, but ethanol heats quickly. Vehicles, they will blast after running sometimes. After if people can travel continuously for 100 kilometers, so engine will get heated. But if you mix ethanol with the petrol, it will blast. The vehicle will blast. It will damage the vehicle. Not only the vehicle, it will also damage the people that are riding the vehicle. So don't use ethanol with the petrol, because it will be very dangerous. There won't be, you don't require more testing also, because it is clearly confirmed. If you use ethanol with the LPG gas and petrol, it will be dangerous. You should see other use cases where exactly you can use ethanol, but not with the petrol, and not with any medium that is interacting with the people. If you are using with any medium that the people are interacting, it would definitely cause a damage and problem. It will blast, it will burn the people. There are chances definitely disaster will occur. So I won't recommend ethanol. You cannot put your hand even for second also. It burns you. So that much heat it will generate. Remember. So key risks of ethanol blends is it heats very quickly, high risk of explosion, severe burns and injuries, vehicle fire hazard, unpredictable and unsafe. So these are the key risks and ethanol dangers. I'm requesting Government of India not to use ethanol with the petrol and LPG gas, because it is causing a lot of damage. There are definitely dangerous, unpredictable, unsafe scenarios will be there. It can cause in any way, even in the household, even in the vehicles also. Don't ever use it. It's very dangerous ethanol. Very, very dangerous. It's like a ticking time bomb on the home. You don't know when it will blast. So safety tips: you avoid using ethanol blends in vehicle and gas application. You should not use it. I'm recommending that. Never leave gas stove unattended after lighting the ethanol based gas. Store fuels in cool places away from the heat and sunlight. Beware, ethanol is more volatile and flammable. It is very dangerous thing. You are just keeping the bombs inside your home in the form of LPG gas, in the form of petrol mixed with ethanol. I hope this video will be useful for you, and thank you very much.